Our vision is to be America's most customer-centric and highest quality industrial and commercial door services company. At Vortex, we've been doing doors since 1937. Our ultimate mission is to delight you, our customer.
Customer service, high quality, and fast response. Those are the three pillars that keep driving this business. Most people don't think about doors until they break, and that's where Vortex comes in.
We have over 2,000 vendors we're able to provide options and repairs through. Same-day quoting, same-day service, same-day repairs, same-day install. We fix the problem, and that's why people call Vortex.
When a customer's door goes down, that is lost revenue every hour that passes. Our teams quickly dispatch technicians within minutes. Everything that they need is taken care of to get their business up and running again.
We don't try to sell customers doors. We would prefer to repair versus replace, which keeps customers' costs competitive. 800 field techs in 85 locations and growing, located in major cities across the nation.
The training and certification that we provide to our technicians gives them confidence when they go to a customer's facility to work on any door type. We can do storefront, automatic door, low energy operators, glass aluminum storefront doors. We'll work on their hollow metal doors, roll-up doors, access controlled gates. We do dock equipment. We can do hangar doors. We'll work on high-speed doors. We can do fire doors. Basically, if it opens, we work on it.
The best thing about working with Vortex is how fast they are when it comes to any kind of repairs. Everybody's so friendly and gets the job done the right time every time.
We need them for security reasons to have our doors completed and fixed on that day that we call them, and they get there on time and they're very reliable.
They're consistent, they're fast to respond when you need them in an emergency, and we've called them up. They were there on the spot within a couple hours, if that.
At the end of the day, delighting our customer means that we think about your needs, not ours. We want to make sure that we give you the best experience that you could possibly have with a door services company.